Hi everybody! I don't normally do this, but I thought it was time for a change. So my name is Princess Cellina, and today I'm going to draw my life. I was born in the lower abdominal region of the human body. This human, his name is Adam. My twin brother, Prince Cedric, and I were inseparable in our early stages of life. We went everywhere together, we did everything together. There was no pulling us apart. Sadly, the time finally came, and my brother and I were forced to separate. We have come to that time in our lives where we must be our own selves and live out the rest of our days apart. My father, rest his cell, gave his life for my brother and I. Even with the passing of our father, my brother and I have been able to learn our intended duties in life. My father was the king of the digestive system, but our castle resided in the stomach. My family has controlled the activities of all cells within the kingdom for years, and now it is my turn to do the same. I have finally come of age, and now it is my turn to pass down my genetic information. I have been queen for the past hour, and now it is my turn to sacrifice myself for the better of my kingdom. So in order to begin the process of mitosis, I must commence with the first stage, interphase. As I am engaged in metabolic activity, I get the idea that it is time to divide, so I begin to prepare. Chromosomes are not yet clearly distinguished in my nucleus, although my nucleolus may be visible. I need to duplicate DNA and get certain pieces in the right position. I may also contain a pair of centrioles. I am now ready to begin the core stages of mitosis. Now I can begin prophase. Chromatin in my nucleus begin to condense and become visible as chromosomes. My nucleolus disappears while centrioles begin moving to opposite ends, and fibers extend from the centromeres. Some fibers cross my membrane to form the mitotic spindle. Once finished with this, I can now move on to metaphase. Now all of the pieces are aligning themselves for the big split. My DNA lines up along the central axis as the centrioles send out specialized tubules that connect to my DNA. My DNA has now been condensed into chromosomes. 2 strands of a chromosome are connected at the center with a centromere. This organization helps to ensure that in the next phase, anaphase, my chromosomes are separated so that each new nucleus will receive 1 copy of each chromosome. Here we go! Anaphase is the next step, and this is where the separation begins. Half of my chromosomes are pulled by the microtubules to one side of me, the other half go the other way. The microtubules also reach around the chromosomes to get a good grip and to orient themselves. While my chromosomes get to opposite ends, it's time to move on to telophase. Now the division is finishing up. This is the time when my cell membrane closes in and I begin to split into 2 pieces. I have now divided into 2 separate nuclei, each with half of my original DNA, but each still resides in the same membrane, connected as one, just as Cedric and I were in our early stages of life. I am now ready to complete the process of mitosis, finishing with cytokinesis. A protein called actin creates a fiber ring around the center of my body, causing me to split into two cells when it contracts. My two new daughter cells have developed their own nucleus. I have successfully given birth to two beautiful twin girls, Mia and Ella. I can finally join my Father in cell heaven and look down upon my kingdom to watch my girls grow and carry on our lineage. Thanks for watching my story. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned about the amazing process of mitosis. Don't you forget about me.